Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Kung si Atisa Manalo tong pinadala natin ngayon dito sa Mexico, or even si Christy McGarry, Diyos ko, siguro Lord, buong 3 linggo nitong mula October 29 to November 18, siguro hindi na tayo matutulog. Talagang ganun kaingay yung dalawang yun. Diba? Kasi tinan mo, sino pinanalo nila si Denmark, diba? Barbie looking. Eh, sino pang closest Barbie looking natin ngayon dito? Nung nakaraang MUPH. Diba?
Ito ay isa lamang sa mga live na nabanggit ni Hey Adam G sa kanyang YouTube channel nitong nakaraan para sa kanyang komento para kay Chelsea Manalo. Agad naman itong kinundina ng Miss Universe Philippines Organization at ito ang kanilang nabanggit. The Miss Universe Philippines Organization condemns the recent video commentary of Mr. Adam Hinato regarding Miss Universe Asia 2024, Chelsea Manalo. His comments are unfair, insensitive, hurtful, and dismissive of her accomplishments. We do not tolerate bullying and irresponsible blogging, especially from an accredited MUPH media partner whom we have welcomed in our events. For too long, we have allowed such behavior to be tolerated because bashers and haters have been accepted part of social media. But in reality, we still have a choice to normalize it or speak up against it. We believe that content creators, bloggers, and vloggers should be guided by respect, responsibility, and decency. In particular, we believe pageant bloggers should exercise greater care in expressing opinions about our delegates and refrain from making demeaning statements. We also hope that those who are fortunate enough to earn from their platforms should exercise greater amount of responsibility for their commentaries in the content they publish, making potentially or intentionally controversial statements for clout and engagement, but at the expense of delegates. Is data stable? We are grateful to all our MUPH accredited media partners and mainstream media for tirelessly supporting our queens and the pageant industry. We hope the pageant community can unite in promoting a safe online space for our queens. Samantala, matapos ikondina ng MUPH organization si Hey Adam G, ay nag-live agad ito upang mag-public apology.
Chelsea, I'm really sorry about what I said about you. It was never really my intention to really hurt your feelings, nor your team's.
Maging isang matinding aral nawa ito para sa lahat ng mga vloggers, pageant bloggers, at sa lahat ng mga pageant fans and supporters na maging mapanuri sa lahat ng ating mga sasabihin para sa lahat ng ating mga kandidata. Ito ay para sa lahat ng mga tao na nanonood. Nawa ay tigilan ng pagbabatikos, ang pambabash at pagsasabi ng mga negatibong mga salita sa lahat. Patuloy lamang nating ibigay ang suporta na palagi ko pong isinasabi sa huling parte ng aking mga video. Ang pagsuporta sa lahat ng mga kandidata na nais nating suportahan. Kung kaya't iwasan po natin ang pambabash at pambabatikos sa lahat. Hindi po ito nakakatulong sa ating lipunan. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe. Marami pang mga balita ang aming ibibigay para sa inyong lahat.